Hello everyone and welcome to the video. My name's Amit and today we are looking at a beautiful installation on this equally as beautiful Aston Martin. This is the Aston Martin DB9 and today we are solving a big issue with these cars, and that is improving the very outdated media system in the car. So what we've installed on this car is wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, all onto a factory location with a new upgraded HD screen. A really nice installation and one that brings these cars right up to the modern era. Let's jump in and see how she works. So now we're inside this stunning DB9 and it's a beautiful interior, but now it has the right upgrade. So just to show you how the system works, it is a really nice and neat solution on this vehicle. So essentially the way we've got it set up is, if you own one of these vehicles, you know how annoying it is to actually use the system and the navigation on there. So you have tiny little buttons on the system, really bad control, really unresponsive, not a nice system to use. However, now we've added in the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, it is really easy to use. And the way we managed to do that is by installing a very small little controller into the ashtray. So you flip this up and you have the controller inside. Now this gives you so many different functions and features that you can use. So for example, you have a skip track and backtrack option, as well as of course the main control knob in the middle. Now what this actually allows you to do is go through the Apple CarPlay menus, select through different options, type, and use that as like a mouse essentially. It allows you to use the system really easily and intuitively. And in the DB9s especially, and the Vantages and things like that, the system is actually really easy to touch. It's perfectly where your arms are going to be resting anyway. It's a nice place to have it, and it's obviously trimmed in a beautiful black leather as well. So carrying on with that controller, you do have a back button on there as well, and another button that you can customize what it does. It's a really nice solution to the upgrade on here. Now there is another little secret button which is a little bit harder to see, but again really nice and accessible, and that is actually one of the most important buttons. That is how you swatch back from the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto screen onto your factory Aston Martin navigation or systems that you want to look at. So just one tap of the button and it flicks straight back over to the Aston Martin system, and then one again the other way to flick back onto Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. A really nice, easy way to retain all the features you had before, but now with the upgraded infotainment system of the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now, this whole system is running completely wirelessly. It's a really nice solution. You get in, you turn it on, your phone connects up automatically. However, you can also do a wired option with the little USB port that we've added in to the cigarette lights down here. Now, that is something we go through with the client to find their perfect solution really in terms of location, and we find the right location for them in terms of what they find best. So this client decided to have the USB in that kind of center cigarette lighter. It wasn't something he's using, and in the back of these cars there is actually another one if he ever needed a cigarette lighter. But the USB there is obviously for wired CarPlay or wired Android Auto if you want to, but also just generally for charging your phone if you ever wanted to do that as well. So in terms of the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto system, it runs on a actually new screen. So if you own one of these cars or you've seen them before or looking for one online, you know that the factory screens in this case the Volvo system is very dated. The car doesn't look old, doesn't feel old inside, but when you open that screen up, it shows its age. So what we've actually done is install a brand new HD screen, which you can tell gives a much higher resolution through the factory location. So it still pops up and down as you would normally find with the normal system. However, you now have a much higher resolution when you're running Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, but also the extra functionality that it brings with you. So your Waze, Google Maps, Apple Maps, whatever navigation you use now will be always updated and on that screen, as well as obviously running your music such as Spotify or Apple Music, whatever you're using runs through that system. It's a really nice system to use. If you've ever used Apple CarPlay, Android Auto in any other car, you know how useful it is having it in any vehicle, especially something like this you want to take out on a longer trip, on a road trip. Having your maps is key to the enjoyment of that. So the installation part of this actual install is a little bit complicated. There's quite a lot of removal that has to be done, and it is a fairly specialist install that needs to be done and done properly. We often see these vehicles have an install similar to like this, but not to the right level, and it's not safe. And getting the install done properly and professionally is really, really important. So the other thing we've added in, obviously now you have Bluetooth for your phone calls as well as your music, of course, but that involves obviously adding in a microphone. So what we've added in is a very small microphone just right at the top here, so it can capture your voice as you're speaking on the phone. Again, this is all run in a really nice and neat way behind the scenes and all documented internally on our group chat to make sure that the car is taken care of and the install is done properly. So that microphone allows you to use things like Siri as well as obviously your phone calls as well. But overall just improves the usability of these vehicles. They are beautiful, they are there to be driven, but now you have the functionality to allow you to actually enjoy it. Now, a lot of the time our clients also pair this install into a reversing camera, so that works really, really simply. As soon as you select reverse, you'll get the image come up of what's behind you on that new HD screen, so really nice upgrade there. But again, a lot of our clients also go to an upgraded sound system. So the systems in these cars are getting a little bit dated, and what we do is we work with our partner brand Cambridge Car Audio, so have a look on that website as well to see what options there are to upgrade the sound system in your DB9, and we can take you through all of the options. But I hope today's video has given you a good overview of how the system works, why you might need it in your DB9 or any other Aston Martin system in the vehicle, and we can go through the whole procedure with you and get this upgrade done to your car soon. So hope you have enjoyed today's video, and if you have, feel free to subscribe to the channel and like this video as well, and comment down below what your favorite Aston Martin model is at the moment. In my opinion, it's one of these or a DBS. I absolutely love them. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.